Hey, what's good, y'all? It's been a minute. We're gonna start this new YouTube, y'all, a little different. I got a late start, but we back at it, man. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around of the car before I take it to get the suspension in the front put on. Let y'all know we working with though. Car is dirty. I put the original wheels back on. I ain't even got no springs in there, so I got a wood block in there for right now, just to get it to the shop. Still see how wet that thing is, man. But we finna go up there. We gonna get QA1 coilovers put on. We gonna put QA1 upper and lower control arms on. New tie rods, sway bar, idle arm, everything. Then we also got rear trailing arms, rear upper control arms. And that's gonna wrap it up for the day. Clean that flow. Yeah, so y'all stick around for that. I'm finna take the 24s off the back of the car, and then when I come back, I'm gonna mount it back up. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, see what time it is, man. I'm gonna get it on, get that suspension put on that bitch, man. Next time y'all see it, put the foes back on, it's cracking. All right, and I pulled up here to the shop, man. My boys getting me together, putting my QA1 suspension on. Everything new. Ain't gonna be fresh. Bring it back home, mount it back up, and get to it. Tap back in with y'all soon. Somewhat cleaned the garage out. Buick gone, Grand Prix gone. Buick got suspension. Grand Prix at turbo. Pop still over there doing what he do. Cleaning the other motor for the Landau we got coming out as well. Y'all stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? Homie finna pull up, come grab that.
Both of them.
What else you need? This tape too? Duck it. So yeah, man. Kicking it with my main dog, Pops. Y'all still see the big block in the corner. I ain't gonna tell y'all what we gonna do with this, man. I'm just gonna wait. Y'all definitely gotta start tapping into the channel more. A few more parts that we got for the Buick when it come back. I got some new trim, wheel wells, new bottom spoilers, E85 hose, filter, hot wire kit. What else we got? Plugs, E85 chip, turbo tweak, injectors, boost gauge, fuel pump, 24-inch billets. So yeah, when they come back, I'm gonna go mount it back up, and then we're gonna get some more footage of the car. See how we like the suspension. I think I gotta do a few more things, but we'll discuss it. I'm gonna do the rear control arms myself, so yeah, it's going down.
See that shit butter. See that butter.
Got Pops out here cleaning the motor for my homie come pick it up. It's the motor for the Landau. Just making it, look a little better than it did, degreasing it. Don't worry about Pops crack. Crack kill, we know. It's all good though. Getting busy. So, I don't know what he used in his special solutions, but shit smell pretty good. I see it's really degreasing the shit out the motor, whatever it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these other supplies for Pops. I'm gonna tie back in. We're gonna see what it look like when he done doing what he doing. And my homie Jason came, scooped up the Fast 3 for the Landau. Y'all see it in a minute. Stay tuned. Y'all see my boy DJ Transports came through, pick up Dark Side, you know what I'm saying? And then got me together and put my new QA1 control arms, coilovers on now. When we get back to the crib, I'll take these wheels off so give y'all a better look. You know what I'm saying? Just quick walk around. Y'all need some work done, man. Y'all come holler at my people, man. Y'all need a tow, holler at my boy, DJ Transport. I know what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get to the garage, all right? Well, bro, got that bitch on up. Got a motherfucker on the way home on the trailer. Looking good. All that new shit on there. Gotta get that exhaust done. QA1s all around the whole car now. So suspension wise, we straight, baby. Put my rims back on. But it is sitting way better than it was before it left. So, man, I'm super excited for the summer, man. Me and my daddy gonna be killing this shit, boy. Let's go. All right, y'all. We got the car back at the crib. No, that's not a gap in the door. The door really is just open. It's still dirty. But we got it back from getting the front suspension installed on the car. Now we got QA1 coilovers all the way around the car. Got them in the rear, got them in the front. We also got the control arms installed as well. Next thing gonna be putting the wheels back on the car. But before I do that, I wanna install the rear upper control arms and trailing arms, which is right here. I'm gonna tackle that tomorrow. Pull back up on pops and do that tomorrow. We're gonna do that before we put the rims back on. Then we're gonna give it a wash. But I am satisfied with how they sitting, man. Look, the car sitting good. Sitting like I want it, how I needed it to. I ain't got no light. Let me see. Hold on. I don't know how to cut the light on that bit. But it's getting to that time, y'all. So, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Tap back in tomorrow when we install this. Put the rims on the car, wash it, and then we gonna review everything. So yeah, I'll stick around, man.